Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Voyager. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Voyager has formed a very big falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this is one of my old videos that I shared almost 6 days ago. And I was telling you that in order to catch the next very massive pump, we need to wait for the price line to break out this wedge. If we take a look at this 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that still Voyager is not able to break out this multi-years based resistance of this big falling wedge pattern. And once again, rejected by the resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. By the way, previously when it was dropped down here at this support of the wedge, at the same time, we also found a quite nice support here at 6.5 cents. At the same time, you can see that we also had this very nice bullish divergence flash on this chart as the price line was forming lower low, but stochastic was entered the oversold zone, but still it was forming higher low, and the price line followed this bullish divergence signal and moved to the resistance but got rejected by the resistance once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. That price line will still need to break out even after breaking out this wedge in order to continue a very massive rally to the upside. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Voyager that I shared a few days ago on 4th of June, 2024 with my members. And this move produced almost 23% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Voyager that I shared on 4th of June 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that Voyager formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal move to the upside from here and read the sell targets on here. And this was almost 23% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Voyager. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that since after the month of November 2021, it is still moving inside this very massive falling wedge pattern. And for the past several months, I have been showing you this wedge, and I have been telling you that in order to catch the next very massive rally and long-term rally of Voyager, we will need to wait for the price line to break out this multi-years based resistance of this big falling wedge pattern. And now recently, you can see that Voyager has tested the support here. At that time, we had a very nice bullish divergence signal at the as the price line was forming lower low, but stochastic was forming higher low than previous low, and the price line followed this bullish divergence signal, but got rejected by the resistance of the wedge, and now it is still moving between the resistance and support of the wedge. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that Voyager has found a quite nice uptrend line support. Let me do place a trend line here so this support will be more visible for you. And you can see that it is getting bounced from this support once again. In case of breaking down this uptrend line support, it can again test the support of the wedge. And now if we take a look at the technical target, once Voyager will be able to break out, you can see that this time, at the same time, we will need to break out the wedge, the resistance of the wedge, and this long-term resistance of 11 cents as well. By the way, this is a complete resistance on that starts from 11 cents. You can see that for the past several months, it has been breaking as support here and goes to 14 cents. And this level had been previously breaking as support here, and resistance here, and almost as a resistance here as well. By the way, once the price and will be able to break out this wedge, then still we will have a massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And after breaking out this cloud, this massive cloud will be flipped into a support. And I'm expecting that after breaking out this wedge, there will be a very high probability that soon it may also break out this cloud resistance as well. And the technical target for this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern will be, by the way, here at the top of the wedge, that will be somewhere between $5 to $6. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.